Longest time kasi, may 1% na budget ang bawat ahensya ng pamahalaan, lalong-lalo na ang LGU, na ginugugol sa senior citizens. This 1% tends to be misunderstood dahil it was passed in 2003 and may joint circular ang DBM na dapat bigyan pansin ang lahat ng senior citizens through the programs and activities. Ngunit the next year hindi na ilagay uli. And so some interpreted it as wala na. But ngayong 2023, binalik ito. Ang kagandahan, there are lots of local governments and national government agencies na talagang ginamit itong 1% for the senior citizens. Kaya we were happy that under the leadership din ni Secretary Rex Gatchalian, ang DBM, ni Secretary Amina, and National Commission of Senior Citizens together with the National Commission for the Disabled, gumawa tayo ng joint memorandum circular na dapat lahat i-monitor natin, i-evaluate, let's make all the government agencies accountable doon sa dapat may programa, may plano, may activity ang mga senior citizens kasali sa budget.
So, just to clarify, Chairman, no? So, 1% ng kabuang budget, tama ba, ng local government unit ay kailangan
And
ituon.
national government agencies as well.
And national government agencies.
Yes.
Okay. So, ilang porsyento na po ng mga LGUs ang, kumbaga, nagko-comply dito
Actually,
sa ating 1%
almost
requirement?
all naman.